I'm Midnight Trinity, and if you want to know how I got this crazy look, keep watching. Hi there, Midnight Trinity here, and my hubby. And today we're going to do a thing that I came up with where you take a D20 and whether or not of what you get on the thing is how well you do your makeup. So, yeah, we're going to get into that. First, we're going to start out with eyeshadow. And since I can influence it, he's going to roll it.
I'm a dice roller. High baller, high roller. This is a 19. Which means you get to do pretty good on your eyeshadow. Makes you wonder what she would have done if she rolled a 1. Just keeping it simple tonight. One shade, one all. Should we do it each eye?
No.
Another try for the other eye? I think so. Oh, she already got it. Should have done another eye, another try. What's next, Miss Stang?
Yes?
No, I'm watching you do your makeup. It's like watching the video firsthand before it airs. It's too bad this isn't like a scripted TV show, because then I could make fourth wall breaks to all you people in the crowd.
So there's the
Look
eyeshadow.
good.
But let me just put a little bit under the eye.
Which palette are you using?
My rush should be cosmetics to the season.
When did you get that one?
Got in my Slay Glam, I think, for December. So that
You got too many of these, I can't keep up. Alright.
And okay, so next is my eyebrows. Or no, next is my foundation.
Ooh.
That's a 20.
Yep. I don't like this. You getting off easy. I'm waiting to see that 1 right on the right on the lipstick. That if that had been a 1, that's where you would have stopped right there. It's just doot. In rides the pale horseman. You're so white.
If I use any darker than this, it look like one of the Jersey Shore people.
But you're from Jersey. That's right, you heard it. She's from Jersey. Makes you wonder what happened to the accent. She got rid of it.
Went to speech therapy to lose it because I kept getting called a Yankee.
So is this usually how you do your ordering makeup?
Yes. Sometimes I forget and put on my foundation first, and then I do my eyeshadow, and then I get all under my eye, and then I have to redo it. Okay, so next is contour.
Contour, whatever that is.
You know, when you make your face. Where I put it, make my face look more sculpted.
Oh. That's a 5.
So I'm gonna say anything less than a
Than a
10.
7. Yeah, it's like half-assed.
What I usually do, or I just kind of.
There you go. There's your depth.
And then
It looks like battle marks. Like you're getting ready for war.
I'm not done because I usually put powder on too.
Oh, just to make it come out a little bit better. Yes. Let me see your war face. Go grr. Oh, this is
Okay.
marvelous. Ready?
Hold on, I need to find a thing.
What are you doing next?
I usually do my eyebrows. So
Please give me a 1. Oh,
20.
she's lucky. She gets to use the mirror. Anything less than 20 and you wouldn't have been allowed mirror.
You're gonna roll separately for the other one, aren't you?
Yes. That one gets a nat 20. The other one gets a 4. I love it. Yes, I approve.
Okay.
True war markings.
So next, I usually do highlighter.
Your face is gonna be pretty dang shiny. You got a 12.
I'm gonna put the mirror down because anything less than a 20, I can't look. It's not even showing up, is it?
Probably not. No, not really. You may as well just like wipe it on your fingers and go.
No, okay, you know. I'll use, since I rode so low, I'm just gonna use the dollar store one that's powder, which is
Too much glitter. Nope, I don't like it. Horrible. Horrible choice. She gets sneezed on by a freaking unicorn man. There's so much of it. It's everywhere. Oh my god. Oh, that's horrible. It's probably on me too. I probably got no, I don't know. Ah!
okay. So next is usually the setting powder.
I call that a 2.
That was a
no,
12.
you got a nat 20 on that really the first time. So you're gonna set all that in like a champ. I like it.
You know
Just
you're out
the
of
one
camera.
eyebrow.
You know you're out of camera.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I was trying to avoid the dust.
So next is usually mascara.
That's a 10. Gotta do this one with me tapping your elbow. Just kidding. Wham! Got it? There's the 10. Stab yourself in the eye real quick.
Okay. Now's the eyeliner.
Ooh. That's a 16.
This is 19.
Oh, 19. Sorry. I don't know numbers. I cannot math. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to mess with this one.
Meow. My eyeliner not working.
It's not supposed to. I ate it all. So, you know. There's that. Dude. I love how there's just that one eyebrow just. All right. What's next?
Usually the last thing is lipstick.
Come on, give me a 1, please. Just smear it across your face. No. Give me that. Give me
Here,
that.
that was mine.
That's a 7. Put it on like a 7-year-old. Yep.
Okay, pretty.
Yep, like you got smacked with a wiffle ball bat in mid-makeup.
And now the last thing is setting spray.
Spray?
Yeah.
That sounds unhealthy.
Well,
That's an 8. Ta-da! Isn't she pretty? Yeah. So there's that.
if you had fun watching that insanity, please stay tuned for further videos. Give me a like, a subscribe, and if you have any ideas for videos, don't feel shy to comment. Anyway,
Hulk Hogan.
I want to kiss you with this.
No.
Anyway, bye.